Open your MS Excel application and go to your data. Once in your data, go to the top on your ribbon and select the option Insert. Within the section Filters, you can find the option Slicer. In this particular case, it will ask you to select the data you want to use. Other example, if you already have a pivot table like we do in another tab. Click on your pivot table and this will enable a new option in your ribbon called Pivot Table Analyze. In there within Filter you will see Insert Slicer. Once you click the option, it will pop up a new window, so you can select the data you want to use for your slicer. If you click in your slicer, it will enable a new option in your ribbon called Slicer, where you can modify things in the slicer columns, color, see all the slicer settings, and much more. Then you can proceed to click in any of the options in your slicer, and it will modify your data based on your selection.